Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're exploring one of the most talked about toys in the realm of interactive dolls. The best baby alive, Princess Ellie grows up. This doll isn't just any doll. It's designed to grow up right before your eyes, making it a unique addition to any child's playtime. Let's delve into what makes this doll so special. The baby alive Princess Ellie starts as a baby and magically grows into a princess, captivating young imaginations along the way. Let's see Princess Ellie in action. Starting as a baby, she coos and giggles with delight, encouraging nurturing play. As she grows into a toddler, her responses become more dynamic, fostering interactive role-playing scenarios. Finally, as a princess, she dazzles with her elegant outfit and regal demeanor, inspiring endless creative adventures. Beyond entertainment, the baby alive Princess Ellie grows up offers numerous benefits for children's development. By engaging in storytelling and imaginative play, children develop critical thinking skills and expand their creativity. Nurturing Princess Ellie fosters empathy and emotional intelligence, teaching children about care and responsibility. Interactive dialogues with the doll promote language acquisition and communication skills. In conclusion, the baby alive Princess Ellie grows up isn't just a toy, it's a companion that grows alongside your child, sparking endless adventures and fostering invaluable developmental skills. Whether as a baby, toddler, or princess, Ellie captivates with her charm and interactive features. That wraps up our review of the best baby alive Princess Ellie grows up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of innovative toys with us here at Product Critique.